Hi, this is Sri from Cine Speaks. We are sitting with Rahul Baba, the man behind Salman Khan's Haryanvi accent in Sultan. So, first of all, congrats, Rahul Baba, congrats from Cine Speaks. You know that we were able to see how hard you have worked when we see Salman in the film Sultan.
I hope it is noticeable.
Yeah, it is. Of course, it is. So, how? Let me ask you a few questions. How did you get this offer actually? To be a trainer for Salman Khan for this Haryanvi accent.
Actually, I have a long association with Yash Raj.
Okay.
In a way, if you see, it's been 9 years in Bombay.
Okay.
And in a way, I started my acting career with them only.
Okay.
I did a couple of shows with
Yeah. Okay.
Godfather and Kismet. So that's how I know them.
Okay.
और वहाँ पर उस वजह से कोई ना कोई तो मुझे जानता ही है. So I think जब ये सुल्तान जब प्री प्रोडक्शन में थी, so वहाँ पर I think they were looking for someone who can train him, Mr. Salman Khan, for Haryanvi accent.
Okay.
So somehow कहीं से मेरा नाम आया होगा, I don't know how.
Okay.
And they contacted me. और मैं अली से मिलने गया था. So अली से मिला मैं. I had a discussion. I read the script first.
Okay.
Then the script was amazing. I appreciated Ali. I told him जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा था, मुझे स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते पढ़ते नॉट कि कोई पैरामीटर है, लेकिन 3-4 बार मतलब ऐसा हो गया था कि मतलब आंखों में पानी सा आ जाता है.
Okay.
स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हुए.
Okay.
और आई थिंक अगर वो स्क्रिप्ट में इतना दम था कि मैंने अली को बताया, मैंने यार स्क्रिप्ट तो कमाल की है, मतलब इट इज जस्ट आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स.
Okay.
So then we discussed about how we have to go about it.
Okay.
Because Ali also is from Delhi College, KMC. I am also from Delhi.
Okay.
Somehow I have also heard a lot of people talk in Haryanvi since my childhood.
Okay.
So I am not a Haryanvi.
Okay.
I am a Punjabi.
Okay.
I have no idea of what
Okay.
Haryanvi is all.
Okay.
तो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता है कि हरियाणवी कैसे होती है. अगर गलती से कुछ गलत बोल दिया हो तो मैं तो इस मीडियम के थ्रू सॉरी भी बोलना चाहूँगा कि अगर कहीं किसी को गलत लगा हो तो प्लीज आई एम रियली सॉरी. I tried my level best. That's what I can say.
So how hard or how easy was it to train the superstar Salman?
Honestly speaking, Mr. Salman Khan, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, Mr. Amir Khan, ये वो लोग हैं जिन्हें देख के कहीं ना कहीं मैं एक्टर बनने के लिए आया हूँ बॉम्बे.
Okay.
और जब मुझे ये बोला गया था कि आई एम एन एक्टर, सो कुछ ऐसा कुछ उस टाइम पे चल रहा था कि दैट आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर सम गुड वर्क.
Okay.
और जब मुझे उस टाइम पे ये ऑफर मिला था, तो बीइंग एन एक्टर, ट्रेनिंग सम एक्टर इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट जॉब ऑल टुगेदर.
True.
बट मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार अगर ये मौका अगर किसी की जिंदगी में आ रहा है, सो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ फुल सर्कल इन लाइफ.
Okay.
That the people you have grown up watching and you are trying to become someone like them, at least the kind of hard work they have put in their life. So it was a very good opportunity for me to look very closely कि यार ये लोग 40-40 साल से if they have been working and they have been continuously giving good films, so what is the mantra behind it? So it was like a thing of कि एक आप जाके मतलब अपने उस इंसान से जाके मिल रहे हैं जिसको आपने कभी सोचा था कि यार इसके जैसा बनना है.
Okay.
So वो एक तरीके का फुल सर्कल था. It was very nice for me.
Okay. So what are the projects in your pipeline as an actor?
यार बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं
Okay.
जो वर्कआउट हो रही होती हैं, बट अभी as such like I haven't signed anything.
Okay.
But ये है कि there are a lot of good things coming up.
Okay.
बीच में यार 2-3 छोटी इधर उधर की फिल्में करके, मतलब इन द सेंस जहाँ पर प्रोड्यूसर जो है वो मतलब उसकी कीप जो है, शी इज एन एक्ट्रेस.
Okay.
देन आप शूट पे जाते हो, वहाँ पर जो है 3 दिन शूट होता है, 2 दिन शूट नहीं होता है. ऐसी फिल्में कर करके मैं थक चुका हूँ. सो नाउ आई वांट टू डू समथिंग व्हिच इज मतलब जहाँ पर जो इंटेंशन है फिल्म मेकिंग की, व्हिच इज ट्रू, मतलब
Okay.
दैट इज नॉट एडल्टरेटेड.
Okay.
Because by the end of the day, I want to be associated with good work. It's not that I shy away from small films. It's not that I shy away from new production houses, new directors, or anything like that. Because by the end of the day, I know that whatever I can do from my end only.
Okay.
as an actor, because filmmaking in itself is a process.
Okay.
तो मैं तो अपनी तरफ से उतना ही कर सकता हूँ जितना मेरे से बनता है, उसके आगे मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. लेकिन हाँ, definitely there are a lot of things which are coming up.
Okay.
So let's see, hopefully.
So all the best for that first of all.
Thank you so much.
So, but what kind of roles do you prefer actually? As in, like, if you know, if at all you're offered a strong negative character down the line, will you be able to, accept the offer? Will you be able to take it, without
Yeah, of
thinking?
course. Like in the sense, again, it is just kind of the same thing. Only like I don't have any issues with small roles also.
Okay. Screen,
You know, like,
screen time is
yeah,
not important.
like screen time is not important for me.
Okay.
Being the protagonist or so-called like hero is
Okay.
not important for me.
Okay.
Because by the end of the day, it is very important for me to connect to the audience
Okay.
as a character, not as
Okay.
Rahul Bagga. Yes,
Okay.
of course that happens
Okay.
because this medium in itself is so big. But otherwise, I want to connect as a character, as an actor
Okay.
with the audience. So for that, it doesn't matter whether it is a big role, small role, positive role, negative role,
Okay.
comedy. Like it's part of our daily life.
Okay.
Everything. Like you are also a comedian in your real life. You are also a villain. You sometimes have great qualities in you. So similarly, every character has that. So I don't mind. Like छोटे रोल से, छोटी फिल्मों से मुझे किसी चीज से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Because by the end of the day, I know that the audience is very very intelligent now.
Okay.
Now audience has changed.
You cannot be fooled now, yeah.
They can't be fooled. There can be an instance that where the film is bad. But if there is a couple of actors who are doing good job in that bad film also, audience notices that.
Okay.
So now there is no fear of that thing that कि what will happen यार, अगर मैं छोटी फिल्म करूँगा तो लोग मुझे सोचेंगे कि ये तो छोटी फिल्म में करता है.
Okay.
वो अब I think दौर जो था वो I think that has finished now.
Okay. So I mean, like, you have worked, throughout Sultan along with Salman Khan,
Yeah.
and you've seen him work as hard as as his age can permit.
Yeah.
And he has worked hard on his physical appearance as well as his accent, and he has trained in different types of fitness and all. So how do you think a person of his age is doing so much of hard work? He has been he's been inspiring millions of people all around the world, and you have seen him in this in his most strenuous film. Throughout the film, you have been with him. So how was the first hand experience of working so close with Salman Khan? Not just in the Haryanvi accent, but along in the process of filmmaking as well.
See, I think I spoke to Mr. Salman Khan one day on the shoot. We were doing one scene, and I was watching him very closely. Like I have been on shoot with him throughout the shoot of Sultan, and during the dubbing also. So I have been watching him very closely. See, first of all, I think he's a very very gifted actor. And when I'm saying gifted actor, I'm not saying that he doesn't know what he's doing. Like he's very intelligent in that way. Like he's very impulsive. He's very in the moment actor.
Okay.
And I have seen him. Like once I used to go and read the scene out to him with Ali. I have only seen him working on the scene once he has read the scene with us.
Okay.
So his mind used to be always continuously thinking about the scene.
Okay.
And sometimes he used to do such brilliant improvisation in the scene
Okay.
that you are like, oh my god, like how is it possible? Like ये मेरे दिमाग में क्यों नहीं आया? Because I am also an actor. So when I was watching him doing any scene, so I was, yes, of course, I was his Haryanvi like dialect coach. But still, as an actor, as a fan, as an audience, I was watching him when he was doing it. So मुझे कई बार लगता था कि यार ये कैसे आ सकता है? मतलब ये इनके दिमाग में कैसे आ गया ये improvisation? So ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो I have seen him closely doing during the shoot. And मतलब कई बार ऐसा लगता, मैंने सर से बोला भी था, मैंने सर like in the sense कि you have never spoken about craft of acting in that way. You never speak about that what kind of a background or what kind of a process you follow or what kind of a pre-work you do before going into the shoot.
Okay.
As an actor, everybody has their own process and how they go about a character. He very mischievously smiled at me and I said, but sir, I feel that you are the most intelligent actor in that way, because by the end of the day, acting is all about being in the moment. And there are a lot of people who throw a lot of names in acting, like Stan Slavorsky or Peter Brook or Grotowski or whatever. That kind of names are there, all out. Everybody speaks about them. All actors speak about them. But in that way, there is one guy called Sanford Meisner, which is very popularly being followed these days.
Okay.
तो उनका नाम बहुत चल रहा है आजकल,
Okay.
माइजनर का. कि हर एक्टर जो है वो पता चलता है कि
Okay.
माइजनर फॉलो कर रहे हैं. But actually, truly, if somebody, according to me, is following Meisner, is actually him.
Okay.
Because that is the whole process of
Okay.
Meisner, being in the moment.
Okay.
So he smiled at me and he was like, हाँ मुझे पता है. You know, like typical
Okay.
Mr. Salman Khan. But yeah, of course, like in the sense he is very normal in that way.
Okay.
So because of that only, like from the day one, he gave me so much of space in terms of correcting him, in terms of introducing new words, in terms of introducing the rhythm of the way he's going to speak.
Okay.
Because like I was aware, we are making a huge film, big film, and it's a Salman Khan film. So, and it is going to be watched by I don't know how many crores of people now. Every day the crores are going to increase now. So there are a lot of people who are going to watch it. So we wanted to make a very neutral film.
Okay.
Of course, I know that it is not a very in the sense ठेठ हरियाणवी नहीं बोली है हमने,
Okay.
और वो जान बूझ के हमने उसको नहीं बोला गया है.
Okay.
क्योंकि हम चाहते थे कि एक ऐसी हरियाणवी बोले जो एक वेस्ट बंगाल का बंदा भी समझ पाए,
Okay.
एक महाराष्ट्र का भी बंदा समझ पाए, गुजरात का भी बंदा समझ
Okay.
पाए, और हरियाणा का जो बंदा है उसको ये लगे कि यार ये तो मेरे घर की लैंग्वेज है.
Okay.
वो उसको ऐसा ना लगे कि खराब बोली जा रही है, उसको ये लगे कि हाँ यार ये तो मेरे घर की लैंग्वेज है, इस तरीके की लैंग्वेज है. सो उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, बिकॉज द वे ही सरेंडर, and to surrender in front of a person like me who is nobody in front of him. And actors have their, they are little closed in that way. They are very fragile in that way.
Okay.
They are very soft.
Okay.
They don't like anyone getting into their space. And
Okay.
especially while I'm talking about while we are shooting, while we are
Okay.
acting.
Okay.
Because at that time your whole focus is on the scene, on the
Okay.
character.
Okay.
और वहां पर अगर आपको मेरे ऐसा बंदा आके कान में बोले कि सर वो चल की जगह ना चाल बोल दीजिएगा, सो इट कैन पुट यू ऑफ द सीन.
Okay.
So but he was so giving and so much in the want of getting it right, which made it possible what you are now watching on screen.
Okay.
So I think it is everything, whatever you are watching Sultan is only, I think, not to deny the whole team's effort, but I think 2-3 people who should be, in the sense, considered the most important people who have, I think, contributed in Sultan's success is, I think, Ali, Salman Khan, and Anushka.
Okay.
Like for sure, like in the sense, these 3 people, the contribution of them, it is unimaginable.
Okay. Okay. So any funny incident or prank kind of stuff you would like to share with us that happened during the shoot of Sultan? Maybe Salman Khan did, or whatever happened during the shoot. Anushka, Sarmaz or Ali Zafar.
नहीं सर तो कुछ ना कुछ सर का रोज ही कुछ ना कुछ प्रैंक, रोज ही कुछ ना कुछ लाइक टू शूट विद हिम इन इटसेल्फ इज सच अ वो जिसे बोलते हैं ना de-stressing माहौल है वो.
For everybody on the set.
Everybody on the set. Like in the
Okay.
sense, if you are shooting with Mr. Salman Khan, that means the mahal of the set is going to be very happy, very chilled out.
Okay.
Because then you are not working, then you are just enjoying.
Enjoying the day.
So
Okay.
everybody used to be like look forward. Like I don't know, there is something about him. Like the time his car enters the space of the shoot, everybody's energy is on a different level already.
Okay.
Like he brings that energy with him,
Okay.
and it's a very positive energy. Like it's not intimidating. It's yes, of course, it is intimidating certain times because his persona is so big. But otherwise, it is very chilled out. शूट का माहौल जो होता था वो हमेशा से खुश होता था बिकॉज एवरीबडी यूज्ड टू बी वो लुक फॉरवर्ड करते थे कि यार शूट खत्म हो एंड देन वी शुड चिल विद भाई you know
That happens on every day.
yeah
Okay.
so and it's a very chilling माहौल you know?
Okay.
It's a very आराम से काम करने वाला there is no stress there is no pressure एक्टिंग करते हुए भी you won't feel that there is any pressure
Okay.
so वो बहुत ही मजेदार था
Okay.
अच्छा very good experience
Okay. So when you saw the film on theaters along with the audience, how satisfied were you with the with the Haryanvi accent that you were able to train Salman?
See, I think what we have achieved in this film, like I'm not bragging about it, but the most important thing was for us was that the consistency is very important.
Okay.
That कि ऐसा ना लगे कि एक सीन में तो सलमान सर के मुंह से हरियाणवी निकले दूसरे सीन में हिंदी निकल जाए या अनुष्का के मुंह से हिंदी निकल जाए या कुमुद मिश्रा जी के मुंह से हिंदी निकल जाए सो वो था कि हम मेंटेन करना चाहते थे कंसिस्टेंसी जो मेरी अली से मतलब बात हुई थी तो दिस इज व्हाट वी केम ऑन द सेम पेज विद अली तो उसको हमने बहुत ही सोच समझ के लाइक वेरी प्रॉपरली वी हैव ट्राइड टू पुट इन so I think when I saw the film I think yes of course definitely there will be people who might be having certain reservations and I accept those reservations because I think there is always a possibility of growth right so I don't deny the fact that yes of course we can better it but whatever I saw I think this is the first film ever which has maintained a regional language in such a beautiful consistent
Okay.
way
Okay.
and that too such a big film
Okay.
you know
Okay.
so I think it is a very consistent very authentic in that way
So the entire team, you were like so happy. On
yeah and very ये सोच समझ कर हमने बहुत सारी चीजें हमने इन्वॉल्व भी नहीं की हैं हरियाणवी में जो कि हम कर सकते थे चाहे वो से का ज्यादा इस्तेमाल हो या इद या किद
Okay.
इस तरीके की बहुत सारी चीजें जो हरियाणवी में होती हैं तो वो हमने जानबूझ के हमने वो इस्तेमाल करी ही नहीं so, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो हमें पता नहीं थी लेकिन वो हमारा कॉन्शियस डिसीजन था that we wanted to give it a different kind of a sound
Okay.
so the हरियाणवी see हर डायलेक्ट हर 5 किलोमीटर बाद हिंदुस्तान में चेंज हो जाता है हिंदी मराठी पंजाबी भोजपुरी अवधी राजस्थानी गुजराती so like there are so many languages and every language has a different dialect in different region तो वो तो कभी भी हो सकता है लेकिन हम एक तरह की हरियाणवी चाहते थे जो कि मास के लिए बहुत ही आसान हो समझनी आई थिंक we have done it achieved it.
So can you just tell us one or two dialogues from the film with your proper Haryanvi accent? I think you can you're the trainer for Salman, so I think you'll be able to tell it better than him or at least on par with him.
I think एक वो डायलॉग है जो कि बहुत ही फेमस है कि मुन ने पहलवानी जरूर छोड़ी है पर लड़ना नहीं भूलना so I think this is one of the
Super.
most promising contemporary dialogue
So I think that will be it. We would like to wish you all the best for your upcoming projects from Cine Speaks.